Here we are again. This should be a Grimsby Newark or Newark Grimsby. If it is, well, real-time trains. I don't know, it's either Newark Grimsby or Grimsby Newark, it's one of the two. But all I know is that it's going to be there's going to be a bit of wind, so that's why I'm going to film it at the crossing. So this time, we probably closed early. Usually do. I don't think it's stopping at Highcombe. I can see something around there. I think that's the 153. Unless it's Newark. Well, unless it's Grimsby Newark. Mind you, we've only just had one at 36 heading the other way, so I think it is southbound / eastbound. So I'm going to quickly pick up the pace and wait for the train.
Oh, in like 10 away.
Ooh.
1 minute.
Andrew is 10 minutes away. And here's a 153.
Wait for a while then.
Here's a 153. It's a 153. I hope it's not what I think it is, because if it is, bad things happen. I can hear Highcombe on its way down. It always closes like a minute early. I wonder if this is the double from Grimsby Newark. It is Grimsby Newark, not Newark Grimsby. That 153 gets closer by the minute. Here it comes. Prepare for wind. That's the one.
Hang on to me, brolly.
As the 153 passes, it gave me a little toot there, and 376! 153, 376 to 153, 313, and there we go!